Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I was watching HSN because it's craft day, and I thought, whew, I have two hauls that I need to make of Anna's, so I'm going to make them, and most of this is from HSN or annagriffin.com. And because I'm a member, I buy some of her stuff that is brand new today. I buy it early. So there's two videos because it's really long. So sit back and enjoy this and then go shop. Uh, Today on craft days, they have a secret sale and just put craft happy in and you will get secret sales that doesn't show up on the normal. Me, I think if it's on sale, it's on sale. Don't go have to have a secret, but craft happy and all. So now let's just get started. So this is auto ship from HSN, and it is the ribbon border cut and embossed folders, and you get three of them, and that is one of them that is on auto ship that I got in. Uh, this is on, I bought it for $11. The Anna Griffin Slimline Witch Dies, but it is on the secret sale. On the regular HSN site, it says like 27. I bought it for 11. And then now they have it on the secret sale for 15, which is a little sketchy to me, but I'm going to tell you the truth. I always have. So yeah, so it is still a good price. I don't know if it's going to go back to 11. But also they have shipping and handling 750 for everything, and maybe that's why they went back up on some stuff a dollar here or there, because everything in your cart today is 750 for everything. So anyway, so I bought the black and cream embellishments. She has paper that matches this, and this was on sale. And so look how many you get. And I thought, you could really use these for either a wedding, or I think you should use them more maybe for condolences. So yeah, so and you get 80 of these. They were on sale. I can't remember the price, but it is cheap. It is cheaper. You know me, I want to buy discount, but oh well, today I blew that theory because I bought new stuff. This is Monogram rubons, and it was such a good deal that uh, I went ahead, and they're rub-ons, and there's several colors, but I went ahead and bought more because when when I have two, I'll use a whole box of one, and then I won't use the other one. I kind of hoard. So anyway, I will use that. These were a two pack, and I want to say it was $12 for both. So yeah, and it is the Slimline Matte Foil Christmas. But you see red and gold and all. I don't see Christmas. I see Valentine's. I see whatever I need in whatever color. And this is the perfect palette holiday. So this is a very good deal. So I looked at it as $6 each. I don't remember what it is right now, if it's individual or a pack. But I go on HSN and look at their sale price of Anna Griffin, and I just go in Anna Griffin, and then I find all of her stuff. She's got like 135 items right now, and then I go to edit, and then I go to lowest to highest, and I look at the cheapest first. So anyway, that's what I got. Uh, this is an auto ship, and if you've seen me post pictures in uh, the Anna group that I'm in, you know that I really need this. But this is the pink, and I got an auto ship. You get once a month, and I got it. So, and then this I got from Anna, but it is right now on HSN2. I got a new printer scanner, uh, all in one thing. And so, yeah, I wanted this. Floral Paper anthology. So you get 14, I think, and there's 102 sheets. And let's go through. It's only one, it is one-sided. So I think you get 6 sheets of each. So let's just go through the sheets. Okay, here's the first one. And you want to talk about heavy duty. This is heavy duty. So there's the first color. And then this one is the second. I'm trying to get to the, here is 6 of this one. Here is 6 of this one. I know that a lot of people would know the name of this. I don't remember the names. This would make a beautiful rosette, scrapbook page 2, but here's this one. It might say on the back. It actually doesn't. So, and then there is this one. You could cut these right on that line and make beautiful borders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could make beautiful borders with this for scrapbooking or card making. Ooh, this pattern right here is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, yes, I'm going to do just freehand scrapbook pages, but I have where I've got kits that I need to make, and I've already sorted them out. So I will be making the kits, and then we'll start doing freehand. Look at that color. That's very old school. This is beautiful. She has boxes that is like this. Isn't that beautiful? I should have just, it's getting tight on my fingers. Look at the box it comes in. It's very nice. Okay, so then we have 6 of these. The gold, you can feel it. It's raised in places. It is gold in a sea foam greenish. Then we have purple. Purple is not my color. Then we have, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then we have these. This is the last thing I'm going to show you on this video, and then I'm going to make the second video. The second video is going to be all about the mirror die and the mirror sets and all the goodies that come with it. I haven't even opened it, but I was going to play with it today. Isn't that beautiful? You can feel the raised gold and all three-dimensional. This I love. This makes beautiful. This one right here makes beautiful rosettes and borders when you use your when you use these right here. This turns out so pretty because of the difference in the color. It's really nice. So you have that, and then this is your last one. And so, yeah. So anyway, guys, that is my Anna Griffin haul that I am sitting on right now. So I hope you like it. And my next video, I will show you what's inside this box and everything that goes with it. It is the mirror card crafting kit. So, okay, guys, have a blessed day. All the links are down below. This is from hsn.com and annagriffin.com. She is having a craft day sale today. So all this is on sale with shipping and handling, $7.50 for everything today. Even if you order 5 times, they calculate it. So have a blessed day.